Let's now see the engine installation. All the equipments are reinstalled to provide the engine lifting. Start the lifting using the pulley levers and check that the dynamometers show the correct load. Raise the engine cradle gradually. As the engine reaches the pylon, take care that the forward and rear mounts engage correctly. Then install the bolts to both mounts and tighten them. Note that you never use the same bolts. Always change them for new or inspected ones. When the engine cradle is on the trolley, remove the 4 chain pulley blocks and dynamometers. Then the bootstrap equipment. Reconnect all lines and electrical harnesses to the pylon interfaces. Finally, lock the cradle to the trolley. Push the trolley out from under the engine and remove the hold-open braces from the cowls. The engine can now be put back in serviceable condition.